Morning. Hello, guys. Happy Tuesday. Okay, so the market is gapping down a little bit. Well, kinda a lot. $2 on a SPY. Let's see. $1 on the Q. But still, I'm kind of bullish for it today. I don't know why. Yeah, kind of bullish. So, Um, my main watch, obviously, Netflix. I'm still holding those puts. Um, that's looking great. Netflix lost yesterday's move pretty much. Um, so yeah, I want to see it like keep going lower and lower. It's still inside the downtrend. It was very weak yesterday with the Q going higher. Netflix was doing like barely going higher a little bit. So it was very weak yesterday. So we'll see how it's gonna be today. You guys have my watch list on the Discord. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, so Amazon is the one that is looking great, holding 140. So SPY right now it's a pre-market high, and the same with the Q, and it's rejecting. So we gotta be patient like always and wait and see what's the trend for the day. AMD, that's an ugly rejection from pre-market high and is losing pre-market low, so it's pretty bearish so far. Clear rejection of pre-market high. Okay, so Amazon is holding 140 as support, but so far as both the SPY and QQQ are rejecting pre-market high, so I will not take calls with the SPY and QQQ rejecting and looking bearish. So yeah, if a SPY and QQQ holds here, pre-market high and break it and use it as support, Amazon is gonna fly, which is running right now. Yeah, but HD has earnings today after market, so I will not trade HD. Premiums probably are very high, so I will not touch that one. Okay, I like AMD here. I'm gonna try AMD calls maybe. Let's see. NVDA is gonna fly also, but I'm not gonna play NVIDIA because premiums are kind of high. 113 AM. No, I'm gonna get 114 AMD calls. Yeah. Netflix is very, very weak, which I love it. I think I got in early on calls because buying QQ keep rejecting pre-market high. Let's see. But I do like how AMD is using yesterday high as support. NVDA is just like flying. Ooh. And it's rejecting now. Okay, so I don't like that rejection there. I kind of want to get SPY or QQQ puts here just for a hedge against the AMD play because it's having a lot of trouble here at pre-market high. But I have Netflix puts, so we'll see. Yeah, but it's having a lot of trouble here at pre-market high. And same with SPY. SPY, yeah, it's rejecting 444, 446.50, but it's still holding VWAP and 90 MA as support. I love this rejection here on Netflix. Netflix definitely very weak. Buenos días. Definitely very weak. Just lost pre-market low. Yeah, I love this Netflix. Obviously, we're gonna need the market to die so Netflix can go to 412, 410, around there. And Amazon keeps rejecting 140. It's like it keeps having trouble there around 440. But we'll see. It's still very early. Okay, so the Q definitely moving there, bullish. stronger, way stronger than SPY. What is Apple doing? Nothing, not much. Meta kind of weak. It rejected yesterday high very strong, like the 307. The semis are the one that are looking strong today. So NVDA, AMD. Let's see what TSM is doing. Ooh, TSM is very weak. Very, very weak. But NVIDIA is crazy strong. Let's see how are NVIDIA premiums. If I get 460, it's at 7. It's 60% IV, which is not bad. Okay, so the thing is here, the market, okay, SPY can definitely run to yesterday high, but the Q could use yesterday high as resistance. So let's see. And that's an ugly rejection there. Ugly rejection. I honestly have no idea what's gonna happen. We either keep using pre-market high as a board with the Q, but SPY is rejecting pre-market high. It's looking weak, very weak. Yeah, definitely very weak. I kind of feel like getting the SPY puts here, just, yeah, as a hedge. Let's see, so a SPY is 0.52% down, and QQQ is 0.28. So now Netflix wants to go high when the market is going lower. That's great. Mm. Amazon is under 140 again. 140, it's been a brick wall. So if Amazon loses pre-market low, this thing is gonna die. Yeah, I think the play was to get put on SPY or Q at the pre-market high when it was fighting pre-market high. I'm cutting AMD because, yeah, even though it's kind of holding here, I think the market is looking bearish. I'm only holding my Netflix puts. NVDA is kind of trying to hold here. It's holding pre-market, no, it's holding morning low. I think the market, it's gonna depend, like a big move down. Um, NVIDIA has like a big kind of decision here. If NVIDIA loses it today, I think the market can really die because yesterday NVIDIA was the one that it was holding the market up. But yeah, I'm loving this my Netflix play, honestly. I don't think I need anything else. Good morning. Yeah, Netflix, if Netflix loses like yesterday's low, it's gonna go to 412. Easy 416. And if Nvidia loses 443, 440, if loses 440, I think it can fill this gap. No, it loses yesterday's low. It can fill this gap. If AMD just lost pre-market low. Yeah, Nvidia looks like it wants to fill the gap. I think right now it's very difficult because from down here, like SPY has support around 445, around 444, 443, 445. So it has a lot of support here. And the Q, it has support around 368, and then 367, 366, and 365. So it has a lot of support down here. And same with Apple. So Apple is kind of going lower, but it has a lot of support around 177. So 177.50, 176, 177. But we're definitely on a downtrend. There's no doubt about it. But yeah, it's very choppy, like very choppy, choppy morning so far. And I noticed the morning's been very difficult to trade, but afternoon, I've been trading like very good. After like yeah, after lunch. After lunch, it's been giving me like very good, easy trades. So like in the morning you have a lot of choppiness, and then you have one move and then doesn't do anything for like hours, and then you have a clear support and resistance on the day, and then around 2 3 you have, it's very easy to trade because after the morning move and then launch consolidation, you have like a, like you have a range where you can trade there. But yeah, so far I don't love anything, only that Amazon 140 rejection looks great, and I love my Netflix puts. That's the only thing that I really like, my Netflix puts. Also, AMD rejection on yesterday high could be a good put play, but it's right now it's holding pre-market low. And same with the SPY and QQQ are just holding here. Why do you mean why I don't trade on Discord? I honestly don't know what that means. What is this? Do you guys saw that? Yeah, because like you guys had no idea how difficult it is to manage like my trading, the live stream, Discord. Like if you want like high quality trading, don't ask too much from me, honestly. Like it's a lot of like it's very difficult to do so many things at the same time. And also my trading is my Discord is only for charts. Like you guys have my plan there and then use that. I'm not gonna put more stuff on Discord because it's too taxing. Like if I have to like also answer a bunch of questions on Discord while I'm doing the live stream and then my trading, and it's too much. Like my priority is my trading. Like, it's extremely doing this is very difficult, like very, very difficult. I feel like honestly, I feel like I was trading way better before doing the stream. With the stream, it's like too much, like psychologically, it's very taxing. Thank you. Yeah, I'm doing my best. This is like very hard. Mm, um, so I think I'm gonna like Beans and I been talking about working together. I think I'm gonna come back to his Discord, but I don't know yet. So I like AMD put here. I'm not gonna take them because I already have Netflix, but I do like look AMD is rejecting yesterday high, rejected pre-market low. It's kind of fighting here pre-market low, but I think the risk to reward here is very good. Like you can see if keeps rejecting this yesterday high, I think it can go back down to at least 109. But but see how SPY is holding 445. So that's why I think it's so difficult to trade right now because both SPY and QQQ are in a downtrend, but it has a lot of support down here. So we see like clear rejection candles and we're on a downtrend, but we're holding pre-market low on a few stocks. So yeah, it's difficult right now to say where we're going. Also 368 on the Q. It's support and it's pre-market low kinda. Yeah, 368, it's kinda like a support there. It's Friday high. It was support on Thursday, Wednesday. It's pre-market low support also. So far we're making lower high and we're rejecting VWAP and 9 EMA. And NVDA is looking very weak. And yeah, Amazon also is looking very weak. So Amazon just lost pre-market low. Yes, AMD. I like AMD puts here, even though it's kind of like fighting here. I like this rejection of yesterday high. Mm, just watch 235 on Tesla. Tesla is like dying, but it watched 235. It, that was a beautiful rejection of 240 today on Tesla. Yeah, never went over, like never used 240 as support. Okay, let's see. Coin, NVDA, HD are the ones that are green, and shop it's also green. The rest that I'm looking are red. Everything is red. Okay. I got 107 puts on AMD. I think that one. It's a little bit high risk because AMD it's kind of holding, kind of trying to hold, and I already have Netflix put, which I didn't need to enter that one, but I really like this rejection of yesterday high. Okay, let's see. Both SPY and QQ are at support. Let's see how these supports are gonna react. 445 on SPY, 368 on the Q. We could bounce here, no doubt. Okay, we're losing it. The only thing that I want is for Netflix to die to 412. That's it. NVDA is at 440. So 440, we all know that it's been like a strong level of resistance and support, but it's also pre-market low. Apple is very weak, which can help the market to die. Yeah, it's very weak, Apple. And same with Amazon. Like this 140 rejection here or yesterday high, it was more like 141. Yeah, and lots of Amazon is like very, very weak. I think if the market bounce here and it holds 445 SPY or 368 Q and NVIDIA is the one to play calls because it's holding pre-market low, kind of try to fill the gap and bouncing, and it's bouncing hard from it, but it's still under VWAP and INEMA. So I think the market is still weak. And it's gonna have a hard time bouncing with Apple being so weak. I'm gonna put Apple here. Okay, so Netflix looking amazing. I'm up 33%. Damn, what just happened? What's going on? Okay, 444, 444. It's an important level right now. Look, 444, well, 443 too, but I think 444 it's a big deal. But Apple is so weak that I think we're gonna keep going lower as long as Apple keeps dying. NVIDIA with the gap fill from pre-market high. It's at yesterday's high. 444, it's an important level here. But look how like the market is being like in this very clear downtrend. Like it's we die and then we bounce and then we reject again and then we have another red day and then we bounce again and then down again. So we're pretty like this, it's respecting like this downtrend, making lower high and lower low, like very easy. Very, very clear downtrend. And the same with the Q. Clear downtrend, making lower low, and even when it bounces, it keeps rejecting this trend. Amazon and Apple just dead. Anybody got the SPY like or the Q like pre-market high rejection or yesterday high rejection? That was the play. I was this close to get puts on a SPY with the pre-market high rejection, like very close. Nice. Spy puts, that was, yeah, spy puts was the best play. It was the play today. Mm. And I will take a little bit of profits here because the SPY it's at 444, even though it looks very, very weak. 444, it's been strong level of support. Obviously, we can break that, but Yeah. Why everything is dying and Netflix and AMD is kind of like trying to hold. Netflix is fighting with the support here, the 422, 421 support. I want to see you using 421 as resistance. Yeah, I know that jump, like the QQQ jump in here, it was weird. Okay, if we are in put, we need to be careful here. SPY is at 444. And Apple is at 177. 177. It can go a little bit lower here to yesterday's low, but this level here on Apple, it's been very strong support. Yeah, that QQQ pre-market high break, it was a bull flag. I'm sorry, a bull trap. Mm -mm -mm. I'm gonna take a little bit of profits here on Netflix and AMD because I could definitely see the market jumping here. We're still rejecting, but just in case. Yeah, morning's been very difficult to trade. We don't have, it's weird. It's been weird. Mornings, trading in the morning's been very weird. But so far, like if you really take out what we think and we only see the chart, like so far it's a clear downtrend, clear rejection of pre-market high. So far it's just bearish. I'm trying to not think too much and only see what the chart is telling me because that's what happened to me yesterday. I came here with a bear mindset, when the chart it was telling me that the market was bullish, and it was a very easy bullish move that the market held pre-market low and then just went up the entire day pretty much. Watch NVDA if you guys want to play the upside. NVDA is holding 440. Support and resistance. Those are my lines. Support and resistance. I use mostly dailies and weeklies chart for that. NVIDIA is still green on the day. Like Netflix is holding very good. I got NVIDIA 460 gold as I want to use it as a hedge for my Netflix puts because NVIDIA is at 440. It's a high risk because the market is still rejecting, is still doing um lower low, but yeah, I want to use it as a hedge. My stop loss is gonna be 2 days low. It's still rejecting. It's rejecting 9 EMA. It's still kind of looking bearish, but it filled the gap and it's a 440. SPY it's a 444. Apple is at 177. Those have been like a strong support. So just in case the market just go crazy and give me like a crazy green candle, I think Nvidia right now is the strongest stock today. And Netflix too, like I don't know why Netflix is holding so good. But again, that is not a trade I recommend because the market is still looking bearish. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, 444. It's been very strong support. Was support here on Friday. Resistance all these, resistance here. It can be broken anytime, but the next support is 443. But it's holding so far 444. And NVDA 440. And Netflix 322, 321. Dead market, dead volume. So I only have one NVIDIA call and I'm still holding a few AMD and Netflix puts. I'm watching this gap on NVIDIA, so it's yesterday high. Amazon is so weak. That 140 level, like, what just happened? Okay, look, Amazon 140 rejection is ugly. It's been like extremely weak. Ooh, 4.5 just broke 444. Let's see if it's really like gonna act as resistance. Or if we're gonna just bounce around here. Reversal from jet? No, yesterday it just went up all day, pretty much. Like it went up all morning and then consolidated the entire day, only to push at the end of the day. The thing is like it closed at 448, and 448 it's been acting as resistance. Yesterday was a very bullish day. Okay, so I guess we start the downs here. But I can see Netflix is like getting ready to just run. Like the market went down and Netflix has been holding very good. It's kind of looking bullish. And we start the dance here because, like I said, 444, it's been acting as a strong support the past few days. QQ, it's at 367, 366. It's been acting as support also, support and resistance. So 367, 368 is a strong, are strong levels there on Q. And Apple is at 177, which also it's been acting as support the past few days. So we just gotta wait and see. If the market just run here, Netflix gonna go back up to at least 428, 430. And I wanna see that level keep acting as rejection point. Pretty much this red um area here. It looks like a bear flag here. Like this. That's a bear flag. For a small 200 account, honestly, that's too small. That's impossible. That's you need more money, like at least 1,000 or 500. Like 200, it's too small. Like there's nothing you can do with 200. You pretty much you just do one play and you can lose it all. So 200, no, it's too difficult. But for any small account, I will say only trade SPY and QQQ next day expiration. It's gonna be way easier if you only watch SPY and QQQ. But 200, that's too small. Yeah, you pretty much have no money to trade. Okay, so that was a clear rejection on 444 so far. On the bigger time frame, it's all red. Clear downside, clear rejection of pre-market high, and 15-minute candles all red. I don't like how Oracle move, honestly. So let's see how is the chart. Mm, I don't know if you're in calls or puts, but Oracle is been holding very good. But I don't see anything. Like, I don't love this chart. I don't really see anything. I don't like how Oracle move. But if you're in calls, you want to see it holding yesterday high. Okay. Tesla is dying. Just lost 235. That 240 rejection was beautiful on Tesla. Easy. Tesla and Amazon are like dead. Okay, so let's see. Spice is still on a clear downtrend. Very weak bounce here and here, rejecting an EMA under 444. Nothing bullish about it. AMD rejection of yesterday high was very easy also. NVDA is holding the gap. I'm up 20% on those AMD puts. Up 10% on Netflix. And down 17% on NVIDIA so far. But I only have one contract on NVIDIA. The market's kind of holding here on a slow downtrend, but I don't think, like, I don't see a reason why the market should hold here. Like, I think SPY should go to 443 and just fill this. It has still has a little gap to fill here. Where is it? Yeah, still have a little gap to fill till 443. It's like from 443.36 till 443. Yeah, this here. No, that's ugly. Here. And I don't know. I don't use ES. I don't. I honestly have no idea on ES levels. ES and NQ. I don't use futures. I don't see the point on using futures. I know a lot of people use them and it works, but I don't understand why using futures when you're not trading futures. Like I use SPY and QQQ. I kind of feel like trying futures. I think I'm gonna try to trade futures maybe next week. We'll see. But I don't know because I'm doing too many things. I think the stream is already a lot. Yeah, but before the market move, the before the market opens, that's too early for me. I'm not a morning person. In fact, today I don't know what happened. I think I turned off my alarm. That I have alarmed at 7, 7:30 and 8:30, but I wake up at 7. Yeah, options. I do trade options. So I think I turn off my alarm in the morning, half sleep, and I don't know, I just wake up at 8:25, like just like all scared. I don't know what happened. So that's why I post my chart late today, and I also started the stream late today. Thank you, John. Thank you. So yeah, I'm not a morning person. In fact, before making the stream, I used to wake up like at 9, like 30 minutes before the market opened, and I will just sit on my screen with my PJ, my coffee, and that's it. if this 30-minute candle here closes like this, or green on, if closes green on SPY, I think we're gonna change direction here. But still needs 16 more minutes to close. Over 16 minutes. But yeah, NVIDIA is holding 440. Yeah, I know it's ES is just like a SPY, and NQ is QQQ, but still it's futures, and I don't trade futures. So for me, I don't see the point on looking at futures levels. I'm hungry. Okay, so it looks like, yeah, definitely SPY is trying to hold 444 and NVIDIA 440. And Apple at 177 level. Oof, coin looks very bullish. Coin, look, the daily, it's at, like yesterday it held 80 with a bullish, like this candle, daily candle looks like change of direction, and it's holding 80 as support. So I think coin is looking very bullish. Very, very bullish. I'm not gonna take it because I have NVIDIA calls, but it's making a base around 80, which is extremely bullish. Apple, it's trying to hold yesterday's low. Yeah, Netflix is looking very bullish. It's holding, like it never went down too much, and it's making a base here above VWAP and INEMA. I think it's gonna go back up to 430, 429, around there. So it's gonna retouch that resistance. Hopefully it's gonna do something like this. Where is it? Then hopefully. I took the rest of my profits on AMD. If Netflix go back up here, I'm gonna take more puts, but for next week, because I like the swing trade idea if Netflix keeps rejecting this area. So I wanna see this area keep acting as resistance. Um, I don't know what's ICT. I honestly don't have like a um just one strategy. I just do whatever the market is giving me, and I use my support and resistance levels. Okay, so we have a clear support here. Yeah, I'm very simple with my trading. I don't like to overcomplicate it. Mm -mm. Okay, so SPY holding that 444 level, but it's rejecting the 9 EMA. Thank you, Thomas. Oh, guys, don't forget to like the video. Click like. Okay, so this is getting very boring right now. We've been on the same level the past like almost 1 hour. Mm, let's see. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Mm, I like how NVDA is holding like fill the gap and now it's holding here this level. I like that. I can see a move toward the VWAP. And same with SPY. If keeps holding 444, it's gonna go to the VWAP. And then we'll see how it's gonna react to 445 because 445 now should act as resistance. And Netflix is just eager to run. Okay, I think I'm done for today because I'm not gonna take any other trade, like at least not for a few hours after lunchtime. So just keep watching 444. That's a level to watch on SPY. If rejects here, it's gonna go to 443 and it has a little gap here to fill. 440, like it's gonna be today's low on NVIDIA. and Netflix is this 430 level. 430 level, it's pretty much the range between on Friday, like Friday high and Friday low. So that's the level that you need to watch on Netflix. And like I said, if the market goes up here and Netflix keeps rejecting this area, I'm gonna take more put, but for next week. Um, NVDA, I only have one call, and my stop loss is gonna be 2 days low. It's just a hedge against if the market decides to go higher and Netflix goes against me here. So yeah, that's I think that's pretty much it. The market is not doing anything right now, and I don't think it's gonna do much for a few, like maybe 1 hour, for yeah, for one more hour. But so far it's holding support, so we can have like a bounce here to at least 445 for a SPY, which is the next resistance, 445 or VWAP. So yeah, I think that's it. Pretty difficult morning to trade. It was weird. Today was weird. Even though the market just reject pre-market high and went down the entire morning, it was a little bit weird. So, but yeah, that's how it is. Some weeks are very easy to trade or a month, and others are like extremely difficult. But yeah, thank you guys for being here. See you tomorrow.